Welcome to this week's roundup of the top trending open source GitHub projects. In this video, we'll dive into some amazing tools and technologies, from privacy-focused web browsers to AI-powered image generation and real-time databases. These are must-see projects for developers, creators, and anyone curious about the cutting edge of open source innovation. Let's get started with project number one. Project number one, Zen Browser, your private and peaceful online sanctuary. Zen Browser Desktop is an open source project that offers a calm and privacy-focused web browsing experience. It's built on Chromium, the same foundation that powers Google Chrome, but with enhanced privacy features. Zen Browser eliminates ads and trackers, providing users with a peaceful and distraction-free environment to browse the web. Key features include built-in ad blocking to remove those annoying pop-ups and banners, and tracker blocking, which prevents websites from collecting your browsing data. This means advertisers and other entities won't be able to build detailed profiles about your online habits. Additionally, Zen Browser offers a minimalist and clean interface, free from unnecessary elements that clutter your screen. This makes it easier to focus on the content that matters most. Zen Browser also offers customization options, allowing users to personalize the appearance and behavior of the browser, whether it's adjusting font sizes, choosing from different themes, or setting keyboard shortcuts. You have full control over how the browser looks and operates. As an open source project, Zen Browser's code is publicly available for anyone to review, modify, and contribute to, ensuring transparency and fostering community-driven development. It's still in its early stages, but with ongoing improvements and a growing user base, Zen Browser Desktop is shaping up to be an excellent option for privacy-conscious users who want a distraction-free browsing experience. Project number two, Flux. A simple way to generate and edit images with AI. Flux is an open source AI project designed to make image generation and editing accessible and powerful. Using state-of-the-art, latent rectified flow transformers, Flux allows users to create stunning images based on text descriptions or to modify existing images with precision. One of Flux's standout features is its text-to-image generation. By entering a text prompt, such as a majestic lion at sunset, Flux will create a photorealistic image that brings your description to life. This makes it perfect for artists and creators looking to generate visual content quickly and easily. Additionally, the image-to-image editing feature allows users to modify existing images by providing new text prompts. For instance, you can turn a regular photo into a painting or add specific elements like sunglasses to a portrait. Flux also boasts minimal inference code, which is designed to be efficient and easy for developers to integrate into their own project. Whether you're building an app or experimenting with AI, Flux makes it simple to leverage advanced image generation technology. As an open source project, Flux invites contributions and experimentation. You can find it on GitHub, where you'll find clear setup instructions. However, keep in mind that running Flux models requires significant computational power, especially for high-resolution images. Flux opens up new creative possibilities for artists, developers, and AI enthusiasts, allowing them to explore the cutting edge of AI-driven art and design. Project number three, Instant, bringing real-time database power to your browser. Instant is an open source project that brings the power of a real-time database directly into your web browser. This innovative solution enables developers to store and manage data locally on the user's device, offering fast, real-time updates without the need for a remote server. This makes it perfect for building highly responsive, collaborative, or offline-capable web applications. Instant leverages IndexedDB, the built-in browser database, to store data locally and provides an easy-to-use JavaScript API to interact with that data. This allows for real-time updates, meaning changes made to the data are instantly reflected across all connected clients, making Instant ideal for collaborative applications like chat apps or real-time editing tools. Another key feature is its offline support. Since all the data is stored locally, your web application continues to function even when the user is offline. Once the connection is restored, Instant automatically syncs the data, ensuring a smooth user experience. Instant also provides robust conflict resolution capabilities, ensuring data consistency when multiple users edit the same data simultaneously. The Observables feature allows your app to react to data changes in real time, providing a dynamic and interactive experience for users. Instant is an excellent choice for web and mobile developers looking to build responsive, data-driven applications without the complexity of managing servers. You can find the Instant project on GitHub, complete with setup instructions and detailed documentation. Project number 4, AutoEvals, your AI quality control expert. AutoEvals is an open source tool designed to evaluate the performance of AI models, acting as a quality control expert for AI developers and researchers. AutoEvals provides a simple, user-friendly interface to assess how well AI models are performing, ensuring accuracy, relevance, and fairness in their outputs. AutoEvals focuses on key aspects of AI evaluation, including detecting bias, toxicity, and errors in the outputs of models like GPT and other large language models, LLMs. With a library of pre-built tests, AutoEvals quickly checks your AI for common issues and provides insights on areas that need improvement. For instance, it can run tests on the text generated by a model to assess the accuracy of information or identify biased language that could impact user trust. One of the key benefits of AutoEvals is its customizability. While it comes with ready-made tests, you can also design your own evaluations to target specific performance aspects of your AI model. This flexibility allows developers to tailor evaluations to their unique use cases. AutoEvals is built for easy integration, making it a seamless addition to your AI development workflow. Whether you're working in research, development, or production environments, AutoEvals helps you iterate faster by automating the quality control process for AI models. With its open source foundation, AutoEvals invites contributions and improvements from the community, fostering a collaborative effort to improve AI reliability and safety. You can find it on GitHub, where you'll also find examples and tutorials to help you get started. Project number 5, FancyVideo, making ordinary videos extraordinary. FancyVideo is an open source AI project developed by the 360CV group that aims to revolutionize video editing by making advanced high-quality effects accessible to everyone. Using cutting-edge techniques like neural radiance fields, NeRFs, FancyVideo allows you to transform ordinary videos into visually stunning works of art. FancyVideo's standout features include novel view synthesis, where you can generate new angles of a scene as if you had multiple cameras capturing the event. This capability allows for a more dynamic and immersive video experience. Additionally, the depth-aware video editing feature lets you precisely control the depth of objects in a scene, enabling realistic insertion, removal, or manipulation of elements within a video. Another powerful feature is relighting, which allows you to change the lighting conditions of a video, creating dramatic effects or adjusting the mood to match your creative vision. FancyVideo also supports super resolution editing, where you can increase the resolution of videos, making them sharper and more detailed. The project offers a user-friendly web interface, making it easy for both professionals and hobbyists to experiment with different editing techniques. As an open source project, FancyVideo is available on GitHub, where you can access the code, contribute to its development, or customize it to suit your specific needs. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or simply someone who loves experimenting with video editing, FancyVideo provides powerful tools to elevate your videos and unleash your creativity. Project number 6, Liger Kernel, accelerating AI language model training. Liger Kernel is an open source project developed by LinkedIn that focuses on improving the efficiency of training large language models, LLMs. Training these advanced AI models typically requires significant computational resources and time, which can be a bottleneck in AI development. Liger Kernel addresses this challenge by optimizing the training process, making it faster and more cost-effective. The project leverages Triton, an open source framework designed for writing highly efficient GPU kernels. These kernels are essential for the computational tasks involved in training AI models, such as matrix multiplications, attention mechanisms, and activation functions. Liger Kernel provides a collection of optimized Triton kernels specifically tailored for LLM training, significantly speeding up the process. By utilizing Liger Kernel, developers and researchers can achieve faster training times, allowing them to iterate on models more quickly and efficiently. This is particularly beneficial for organizations working with large datasets or complex models, where time and resource savings can be substantial. Liger Kernel is designed to be flexible and adaptable, supporting a variety of LLM architectures. Whether you're developing chatbots, translation tools, or other AI-powered applications, Liger Kernel can help you train your models more efficiently. As an open source project, Liger Kernel invites contributions from the AI community, fostering collaboration and innovation in AI training techniques. You can find the project on GitHub, where you can access the code, documentation, and resources to start integrating it into your AI workflows. Project number 7, OpenCTI, your open source cyber threat intelligence hub. OpenCTI is an open source platform designed to help organizations collect, organize, analyze, and share cyber threat intelligence. Serving as a central hub for threat data, OpenCTI enables security teams to stay ahead of potential threats by providing powerful tools to visualize and understand the evolving threat landscape. OpenCTI excels at data collection, pulling in threat intelligence from various sources, such as open source feeds, commercial vendors, and internal systems. Once gathered, the data is enriched by linking it to additional relevant information like IP addresses, domains, and known vulnerabilities, allowing security teams to see the full context of a threat. The platform offers advanced analysis tools, including graph visualizations that help identify patterns and connections between different threats. This capability is crucial for cybersecurity analysts who need to quickly assess risks and develop response strategies. OpenCTI also supports threat scoring, incident tracking, and powerful search and filtering options, ensuring that teams can manage their response effectively. A standout feature of OpenCTI is its emphasis on collaboration and sharing. Organizations can share threat intelligence with partners and other entities using standards like STIX, Structured Threat Information Expression, or MSP, Malware Information Sharing Platform, creating a collective defense against cyber threats. Ideal for security teams, analysts, and incident responders, OpenCTI is a valuable tool for building a comprehensive defense strategy. The project is highly customizable and can be tailored to meet the needs of any organization. You can find OpenCTI on GitHub, along with extensive documentation and community support. Project number 8, UV, a fast Python package and project manager. UV is an open source Python package and project manager known for its exceptional speed, designed to make working with Python projects faster and more efficient. Built with Rust, a high-performance programming language, UV offers lightning-fast dependency resolution and package installation, making it a standout choice for Python developers working with large codebases or complex projects. One of UV's core features is its parallel package installation, which speeds up the process by allowing multiple packages to be installed simultaneously. This significantly reduces the time developers spend waiting for dependencies to resolve, enabling a more efficient workflow. UV also simplifies the creation and management of virtual environments, ensuring that project dependencies are isolated and managed cleanly, preventing conflicts between different projects. Its user-friendly command line interface, CLI, makes it easy for developers to manage their Python environments, run scripts, and test code, all within a streamlined workflow. In addition to its blazing speed, UV is compatible with a wide range of Python versions and operating systems, making it a versatile tool for developers across different environments. Whether you're a Python developer, data scientist, or DevOps engineer, UV helps you optimize your development process by focusing on performance and ease of use. You can find UV on GitHub, where the project includes installation instructions, detailed documentation, and examples to help you get started. Project number 9, Mimalloc, a speedy and efficient memory allocator. Mimalloc is an open-source memory allocator developed by Microsoft, designed to improve the speed and efficiency of memory management in software applications. Memory allocation is a critical process in programming, where data is stored and accessed in a computer's memory. Mimalloc optimizes this process, ensuring that applications run faster and more efficiently by managing memory more effectively. One of Mimalloc's key strengths is its compact design. It uses minimal overhead, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from small embedded systems to large-scale cloud servers. Mimalloc's focus on general-purpose usage means it can be integrated into various types of software, regardless of the programming language or application domain. Mimalloc is particularly effective at reducing memory fragmentation, a common issue where scattered, unusable memory gaps reduce overall system performance. By minimizing fragmentation, Mimalloc ensures that memory is used efficiently, allowing programs to run more smoothly. The allocator also features thread safety, making it ideal for multi-threaded applications where data integrity and performance are critical. Additionally, Mimalloc scales well with the number of CPU cores, enabling it to take full advantage of modern multi-core processors. Developers and system administrators can benefit from Mimalloc by integrating it into their projects to improve application performance and memory usage. You can find Mimalloc on GitHub, where the source code, documentation, and integration instructions are available for easy implementation. Mimalloc is an essential tool for anyone looking to optimize memory management and enhance the performance of their software application. Project number 10, Phi-3 CookBook, a beginner's guide to Microsoft's Phi-3 AI models. Phi-3 CookBook is an open source guide designed to help developers and AI enthusiasts get started with Microsoft's Phi-3 AI models. Phi-3 models are lightweight, efficient language models that can understand and generate human-like text, making them ideal for a wide range of applications from conversational agents to coding assistants. The Phi-3 CookBook is structured like a beginner-friendly recipe book, offering step-by-step tutorials and hands-on examples that walk users through the basics of using Phi-3 models. It covers everything from setting up the models, running simple text generation tasks, to more advanced techniques like fine-tuning models for specific use cases or deploying them in different environments. What sets the Phi-3 CookBook apart is its focus on accessibility. Whether you're new to AI or have experience with machine learning, the cookbook's straightforward approach helps you quickly grasp the potential of Phi-3 models. The tutorials are rich with practical examples that showcase how Phi-3 models can be used to solve real-world problems, such as improving code efficiency, answering questions, or performing complex reasoning tasks. The Phi-3 CookBook is also a great resource for developers who want to integrate these models into their applications or explore their capabilities on platforms like Hugging Face and Azure. With its open-source nature, the Phi-3 CookBook invites collaboration, allowing the community to contribute to the evolution of these powerful AI tools. You can find the Phi-3 CookBook on GitHub, complete with all the resources you need to get started with Microsoft's Phi-3 models. And that wraps up this week's top open-source GitHub projects. From cutting-edge AI tools to powerful developer utilities, there's something for everyone to explore and contribute to. If you found these projects inspiring, be sure to check them out and get involved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest in tech and open source innovation. See you in the next video.